name is Paul McNeil. I currently teach at the University of the Creative Arts in England, but I've taught for many, many years in various universities, particularly the London College of Communication, where I worked for around 15 years. My area of interest and expertise is type and typography, and I currently run a design practice named MuirMcNeil. We are particularly interested in systems design, which is something that we apply to commercial projects, but also to our research work. The workshop that the students are undertaking with me is an exploration of type and typography, but in a framework which aims to exceed the limits of standard conventions. So what we do is we look at letter form and type as if we're completely reinventing writing from scratch, covering 6,000 years of history in 6 days. As a result, it allows students to explore the form of writing and the form of print and text without necessarily being attached to meaning or tradition. And that allows different students from different backgrounds, different countries and different cultures to work to their best advantage using their experience and their understanding of communication through text and typography. I think what the project does really well is that it allows students to exhibit their best qualities. So because we first of all explore the development of pictograms, which we then convert into handwritten glyphs and then finally convert into mechanized type, it brings out a lot of unexpected things, such as the ability of some students to produce fantastic illustrations, the facility of other students to make extraordinary calligraphic structures, and finally, for many of them, to produce typographic outputs which are completely unpredictable and unexpected. So that to me is the joy of the project, and also I think the learning that is to be had in the project. The final outcome of this project, as with all design projects, is a finished piece of work. I've asked them to do it in the form of a poster. But the more important feature of what they're going to submit is the body of work which shows the evolutionary process that they've undertaken. So that will consist of 5 stages. First, an image. Second, an illustration. Third, a pictogram. Fourth, a handmade set of glyphs. And fifth, a body of what could be called type, even though it's an imaginary type.